Hello everybody, welcome back. So today, what we're doing today is William's not been doing much this morning because he had to go to the bank and he's had to sign for his loan. Woohoo! Money coming in the bank soon. So then then we rang the notaire up. The notaires gave us a date for the signing on the 19th of January. So we can hand him the key, which we haven't got, for the house. So there you go. That was today. And then I'll show you outside in a minute. The weather is absolutely awful today. It's flooded. The weather is awful. So actually we've got rain coming in through the windows here. So this is why we need to change the windows. The wind's blowing straight across this way and it's actually coming in all through there, all through the windows. You can see very well. And you can just feel the draft, it's absolutely awful. So what we're doing today, what William's going to do today, is taking all this floor up. Why are you taking it up, William?
So redo it at same level all over.
We tried to save the wood, didn't we?
Tried to save the wood, but the other guy just nailed it, screwed it,
Glued it.
So it's just impossible to take back up to keep the pieces.
We'd like to have recycled it, wouldn't we? So there's the beam that's got to come out. And that's the other beam, so he's going to try and do the wood at the same height, hence taking the floor up, because the wall behind is there as well, isn't it, William?
Yeah. So I need the claw hammer.
I was going to say, if you'd not dropped the claw hammer, maybe.
Yeah, in that water.
You wouldn't be able to use it.
I ain't putting that.
So you're going to start the other wall first, right?
No, take all the ceiling down. Take this bit off. Or I can just go to chop again.
It might be easy to buy another claw hammer, right? Wouldn't it?
Probably, yeah.
It seems it was Dad's. We've lost it. Come on, use your muscles.
Nice small arm.
What was you doing there, William?
Sorry?
What was you doing there? Taking the bolts down.
Just taking all the bolts down so we can undo this bit, knock it all down, and start taking the floor down.
Okay, crack on then.
Yes, boss. Cobwebs. Everywhere.
You like cobwebs, don't you, William?
Not really, no.
You like spiders better, don't you?
Need to get on this one. Break your neck or something.
So here what we had to do before William brought the house is we had to get the Septic, which is like the toilet compartment, all checked out, because houses like this don't have natural drainage, don't go into the main sewers, so we have to have what we call a Septic installed. The new owners had that done, never been used, so everything is brand new, but we had to have it checked out and had a look at it. So we have like drain holes down here, so the main sewage goes into one pipe there, goes into another box, I can't remember all the technical words of them, and then it goes into like a sandbed filter, and then it dries, goes clear at the end of it and goes into the natural water sources. The pipes was already put in. I don't know if you can see the pipes over here. So there's a pipe already there, and I think there's another one around the other side of the house that's all done, ready for the drains to go into, and you have to have air vents come up so it takes all the smell of the waste away from the house, and all the other areas has to go up and up again through the roof. So yeah, that's all done, and then obviously with it being a sandbed filter and a septic tank area, then this area here will not have a lot done to it. It will be, I don't know what William's going to use it for, but it's just like a garden really, and things to put things on. The garden will be raised up a bit more. Here where I'm standing at the minute is going to be the garage. I'm thinking, because we don't know what this concrete slab is, thinking that this is going to have to come up. I have to have a look when the builder comes, have a look to see what he thinks, but I'm thinking this has got to come up and then a new base put down. It's going to be bigger anyway. The base is ready for the garage to be put up. Also it's got to be structured, because this bit here where it's all open, so this bit here is, say, the garage bit, and then up there is going to be a reinforced top to the garage, and then the opening is going to go out onto the garage top. And I think William's going to think, oh, we're going to have a jacuzzi on top of this, and so it's going to be really nice because of the views that we have here. It will look really nice looking out onto the garden and looking out to the views. So I can't wait till it's done. It's going to look really, really nice.
Go. Oh yeah, that's it.
So there we go, we're just about loaded up. I don't think the van will get much more in there. There we go. So it's looking a bit more tidier now. Just show you around. The wood that was in that corner, that's all gone now. It's got a window, and through the window you can just see a tiny little hole in there. Oh, it's looking really tidy now. I'm still trying to put more in the van. These frames are going back to our house as well. So yeah, it's looking good now. Deciding what to do, making more plans. So we have the electrical board coming next week. So that's all the electric to put it from the cupboard outside and going into that transformer there for the house temporarily. Look, that's all he's done all day, his old brush.
Process after. Hello. We're getting the floor area slowly. Yeah, pretty clean, but surely.
Beer o'clock. Is it time for packing up?
Huh?
Is it time for packing up?
I think so. If I can get off the van, I think she's a little bit overloaded.